Simba became the noble king of Pride Rock. It is a story of courage
and friendship.
It is the legend of the Lion King.
我哋而家會講俾大家聽獅子王嘅傳奇故事。
Wow, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm very honored.
I'll be portraying myself, of course. After all, who else has my charm, my grace, my heroic physique?
And I'll pretend to be me. But, who's gonna play everybody up?
I will assign the parts.
故事中嘅人物有
First, our villain, Scar. Simba's evil uncle. He plans to take over Pride Rock. Scar, Simba 嘅叔叔。
佢好奸㗎，飛兩個市，飛兩個地，飛嚟吧！